Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset your Google Home. So this is just your standard Google Home device, and all you need to do here is press this button on the back, the microphone button, for about 10 seconds. So we're going to press that.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
And you're going to hold it till the circle completes itself all the way. And keep holding. And then the Google Home will be factory reset to factory settings so that there is no personal information on there if you're going to give this or give it away to somebody. So you can reset the, you can let off the button back on the back here now. But that is how you reset a Google Home to erase any of your information if you are moving out or you're gifting this to somebody or you are no longer using it. You don't want to leave anything on there. So give it a minute here. You can see this orange light is blinking. It's just going back through the setup mode. So you could stop watching now, or you can wait and watch until this video completes, where the Google Home stops this orange blinking and starts its normal setup mode, just as if we were taking it fresh out of the box. So give it a couple more minutes here. There we go. And that is the standard kind of setup when you plug it in.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
And now you could unplug this or give this to someone, and it's completely factory reset, and that's what it'll do when it starts back up. And this is how you reset a Google Home. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button. Please subscribe. If you want to support us, click on any of the links below, and we appreciate you watching. Thank you. 1hoursmarthome.com.